Session 41. Area of rectangles and triangles. Area measures the amount of flat surface inside a two-dimensional boundary. Unlike perimeter, area covers a region and is measured in square units. By the end, you'll calculate rectangle and triangle areas, choose perpendicular heights, solve missing length problems, and check units. A rectangle can be tiled with equal unit squares, so its area is length multiplied by width. A triangle with the same base and perpendicular height has half the area of its matching rectangle or parallelogram. Area calculations help whenever a surface must be covered, filled, or compared. Decorators calculate wall and floor areas before buying paint, tiles, or carpet. Farmers and planners compare the areas of plots of land. Designers use triangle and rectangle areas to estimate material in panels and signs. First, decide whether the question asks for distance around or space inside. Area means space inside. For triangles, use the perpendicular height, not a sloping side, because height meets the base at 90 degrees. Area uses square units, such as square centimeters or square meters. Find the area of a rectangle 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. Multiply length by width, 8 times 5. The area is 40 square centimeters. Find the area of a triangle with base 10 meters and perpendicular height 6 meters. Use 1/2 times base times height, 1/2 times 10 times 6. The area is 30 square meters. A rectangle 12 centimeters by 7 centimeters has a triangular corner with base 4 and height 3 removed. The rectangle area is 84 and the removed triangle area is 6. Subtract to get a remaining area of 78 square centimeters. Complete example. A triangle has area 42 square centimeters and base 7 centimeters. Find its perpendicular height. Substitute into the formula. 1/2 times 7 times h equals 42. Multiply by 2, then divide by 7. 7h equals 84, so h equals 12 centimeters. Check. 1/2 times 7 times 12 is 42 square centimeters. Don't use length plus width. That contributes to perimeter, not area. Don't use a triangle's sloping side as height unless it is perpendicular to the chosen base. And don't write centimeters alone. Area requires square units. Practice question 1. Find the area of a rectangle 9 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Option A is 13. Option B is 26. Option C is 36. Option D is 72. Pause, multiply the two perpendicular dimensions. Option C is correct, 36 square centimeters. 9 times 4 equals 36. Practice question 2. A triangle has base 12 meters and height 5 meters. Option A is 30. Option B is 60. Option C is 17. Option D is 24. Pause, remember the 1/2 factor. Option A is correct, 30 square meters. 1/2 times 12 times 5 equals 30. Practice question 3. A triangle has area 36 square centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Find its base. Option A is 4. Option B is 6. Option C is 8. Option D is 9. Pause, solve 1/2 times B times 8 equals 36. Option D is correct, 9 centimeters. 4B equals 36, so B equals 9. Let's wrap up. Rectangle area is length times width. Triangle area is 1/2 times base times perpendicular height. Choose the correct height, solve missing lengths by reversing the formula, and use square units. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.